This is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. Good morning from Vietnam to all my friends in Canada and America, and good afternoon to all my friends in Europe. And good evening to all my brothers and sisters in Asia. Wow, we got a great video to talk to you about today. Remember, you got to watch these videos, and we're going to talk about Citibank. Citibank has secretly been investing in crypto and DeFi. Can you believe it? We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about Dogecoin has dropped down to the 9th spot. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about Gary Gensler in the house, some regulation. What does that mean to you? And we're going to talk about some bullish indicators for Bitcoin. Everyone's talking about this golden cross. So what does all this mean, guys? So we're going to jump into that. Also, we're going to look at some on-chain data as well to support that Bitcoin and the crypto market is about to take off, guys. About to take off. So you guys have to buckle up and watch this video to end. And remember, don't forget to smash the likes and tell the YouTube algorithm that you love this content. And remember, none of this content is financial advice. It's just the OG in the house, the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo! Just expressing my opinion, and this is for educational purposes only. And remember, guys, it's so important that, with crypto markets frothy and foamy, there's going to be more people who are going to trick you and try to get your crypto. So remember, do your own risk management. That's so important. You guys have to understand it. Do your own risk management and turn on two-factor authentication all the time, every time. And if you receive an email from anyone that you don't recognize and it's related to your crypto and you don't recognize it, delete it. Never, ever click those links. All right, guys. So with that being said, as you guys know, Gary Gensler, he went up to the Hill and he had this whole oversight meeting. And, Elizabeth Warren was there. Pat Toomey was there. Pat Toomey, he's on our side, right? He's trying to save the crypto. And, Gary really didn't have much to say about anything. And really, what everybody wants in the crypto space is clarity about regulation. So, is regulation bad? No. It's okay if it's regulated within reason and not going crazy, guys. And then now we have this infrastructure bill, and a lot of people on the Hill have been saying, yeah, we're going to pass the infrastructure bill in its original form, in its entirety. But they're saying, but don't worry, guys, don't worry, we're not going to enforce that. Right. Can you believe that? You make a law and you don't enforce it? Of course they're going to enforce it. And they're going to KYC everything. And what about the miners, guys? We have evidence that the mining hash rate is going uppity up. But we have a lot of miners now have moved to America. Before the China kicked out all the miners, in America was responsible for about 6.4% of the hash rate. Now that a lot of them have moved to the US because electric is cheap, it's around about 18.6%. But with this new infrastructure bill, will the miners be leaving? I think they will. If they have to KYC, remember, the new infrastructure bill, the whole term of a broker is you got to get KYC on everybody that's going through the node. So this is really going to be, how are you going to enforce that? I think we're going to lose a lot of miners, guys. So with that being said, let's jump into the news. Let's jump into the news right now. So guys, don't forget to go back and watch my other videos. You guys got to go back to this one. 700% possible increase. Watch out. We could see a huge pumpity pump to the moon, guys, if this happens. So let's jump into some news, guys, right now. Woo! Dogecoin, four-legged friend falls. Dogecoin slips to the ninth place on the market cap, and its position dropping 18% last month. So you guys can see that the Doji in the house, my Doge right now has dropped down to the 9th place. And right now, actually, we're down 27% for the whole month. So that's not looking too good, guys. And remember, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, and become channel members. Please support the OG, become channel members right now. So we can see that the Doge has dropped down. We're at 9th place. And we've gone down almost pretty close to 28% over the last month. So should we be discounting the Doge? Should we be forgetting about the Doge? No, guys. If you look at my TA for Doge right now, you can see that, this is the absolute path that Doge is going to take. Guys, stop panicking. Don't worry about it. We're really waiting for Bitcoin to take off. And once that happens, we're going to see the Doge take off. So right now we have this huge descending triangle, and then we had this huge flash crash that you guys know about. So if we follow my Elliott wave pattern, and I've been telling you this over and over, I think in the last 4 or 5 videos, if we follow my Elliott wave pattern and setup, right now Doge is trading at 24.4, and right now we went, from wave 1, we went to this peak, we got rejected at 32. We came all the way down, and this was heightened by this flash crash. We came all the way down and we retested 22.3. I'm blind as a bat, by the way. And then I predict that we're going to go all the way up here past the purple rain line. We're going to go up to around about this zone here, around about 27.2. Then we're going to get a little bit of rejection, kind of come down here. And once again, we're going to retest around about the 25.5, 25.8 level. And then we're going to head up back to the 30 cent level. This is all going to happen by the end of the month. So by the end of the month, we should be back up to 30 cents. And guys, remember, September is typically a bullish month. So stop panicking. All the wet Nancy's out there, all the Debbie Downers who are discounting the Doge. Guys, the Doge is not dead. A lot of people in my live stream, well, not a lot, but some of the people in the live stream, I think one guy called Dev something, can't remember his name. He's saying Doge is dead. He's saying Doge is dead. Of course, my moderator's like, time out. But Doge is not dead. We are seeing that cryptos are coming up. They're going to pop up really soon. And I'm going to tell you why I think all the cryptos are going to be popping up soon. But first, let's jump back into the last news. 4.2 trillion Fidelity urges SEC to approve Bitcoin ETF. Now, Gary Gensler in the house, he is really, we have all these ETF, and this is not the only one, but Fidelity Insurance had a private conversation with the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission and said, please approve our ETF fund. But I don't know why we cannot get any ETF funds approved in America. In Canada, they've been approved. So we really need the SEC to start approving these things because there's a lot of institutional investors. And if we have ETFs, it means that, my grandma, your grandma can invest in Bitcoin without having to have, the wallets and the exchanges and all the stuff that makes it really complicated for people that don't want to get into crypto. ETFs allow you to be in the crypto space, but without having the headache of the crypto space. You know what I'm talking about, right? So some other news that's coming out right now, Gary Gensler, he's saying that, digital asset markets like the Wild Wild West, there's no regulation, there's no this and there's no that. Come on, Gary, it's decentralized. That's the whole point. We don't want a lot of regulations because if you overregulate the crypto space, then you become a bank. So what is going to be the difference between a bank and crypto? Woo! So guys, of course, decentralized exchanges are not regulated because that's the whole point. And I don't think people understand that up on the hill, that the whole point of crypto is financial freedom, is to free yourself from regulation, not be a bank. We don't want to be a bank. We don't want to compete with the banks. But remember, this whole thing, it's all pay to play. The politicians are paid to play, and they want to stop the crypto freight train from coming. But you're not going to stop it. You can slow it down. You can maybe divert it a little bit, but we're definitely not going to be stopping the crypto freight train that's coming. So Bitcoin right now is looking pretty good, guys. Bitcoin right now is over $47,000, and it's looking real sweet. It's going to, as I said in my video about 2 or 3 hours ago, I said that we're going to see a $48,000 Bitcoin coming in very soon. And absolutely, as I predicted, as I call it, it's happening right in front of your eyes. Proof positive. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at $47,796. We're gingerly close to hitting the 48,000. Once we get past 48,000, for us to do the moonshot to 50 is easy. And the other thing is, look right here. We're staying above the 21-day EMA, which is so critical and so important for the Bitcoin to stay above that. Now, guys, remember we had this golden cross, which is really bullish. We had another golden cross May 20th. And when we had that golden cross, guys, we, over a 12-month period, we went from here all the way up to here to 64K. That was around about April. And that was a 761% moonshot. I mean, I'm not saying that we're going to be doing the same kind of moonshot. But, in retrospect, if we can go up from here, even if we go up 100% from where we are right now, let's do it. If we go up about 100%, that's going to definitely take us to at least 100K. Let me just adjust that for you. So if we go up 100% right here, that's definitely easy peasy going to take us up to 100K. So 100K right now is around about here, and that's only 111%. So what I'm saying to you guys, for us to move 100% in the balance of this year is not going to be a huge stretch, considering that from the last golden cross we had almost 750% increase from here when Bitcoin was trading around about $8,000 to when it went up to 64K. So guys, it's not within the realm of unreasonable possibilities that Bitcoin could see a huge 100% upside soon. And I believe it, and everybody's saying $100,000 Bitcoin absolutely coming in. So some other news that's happening right now is we also have Citibank leads 15 million investment into digital asset country Amber Data. Okay, Amber Data plans to expand research and development further into decentralized exchanges, DeFi, and understanding money flows into stablecoins, said the CEO. So you can see Citibank is secretly funding and buying into digital asset companies, and they are definitely wanting, and they know that they have to be a part of the crypto revolution, because if Citibank, if they don't get into it, then they're going to be left holding the bag. We got JP Morgan, we got Fargo, we got all the huge banks moving into crypto. They know they have no choice but to get into it. And this is huge bullish news that Citibank, one of the biggest Debbie Downers on the main street who hates crypto, is now saying, listen, we're going to have to start exploring DeFi and understanding money flows into stablecoins. We need to start to understand this space. And they're doing that because if they don't get into the space, they're going to be shut out of a financial revolution like the adoption of the internet, guys. So this is huge, 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 guys. So here's some other news just to prove that everything is huge bullish. You can see here at the end of 2017, we can see at the end of 2017 here, coins move from illiquid to liquid entities. Now coins are moving from liquid to illiquid entities. So the reverse is happening right now, and that means this is a bull market, guys. This is a bull market. You can see here when we had coins moving from liquid to illiquid here, you saw the huge run up. And then with the opposite happened, and now we're seeing the same thing here. So this just goes to show more bullish data that Bitcoin and the crypto space is about to explode, guys. And also we can see another positive indicator that Bitcoin is on the rise is look at the hash rate recovery. Miners are coming back online after leaving China, and we've seen the highest increase in hash rate in Bitcoin that we haven't seen in years, guys. So definitely the miners are coming back, and often when we have a huge spike in hash rate, this often indicates we're going to see a huge upside for Bitcoin. So with that being said, guys, let's look at the Bitcoin on the 4-hour. You guys, I told you yesterday that we have this diamond formation, and when we have this diamond formation, we can expect a huge breakout to the upside. And absolutely, as I predicted, as I called it, we're seeing a huge, huge breakout to the upside. And right now, our next level of resistance at 48,800. And I believe that we could even blow past that. And based on the trajectory and the measured move from the top to bottom of this diamond pattern, we could be seeing ourselves hitting $57,000 in not too near future, guys. This is happening. It's happening right in front of our eyes, guys. Let's take a look at the fear and greed index really fast. Let's freshy. Woo! So right now we're still seeing the fear and greed index has gone from 30 to 49. So you can see that the social sentiment, the sentiment of investors and retail is becoming more and more positive, guys. Guys, this is the time. This is probably going to be the last opportunity to start buying things cheap, buying things on the dip. Go and bargain hunting. This is not financial advice. This could be your last chance to do it, guys. Get it while you can. Woo! You know you want it. So let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. Right now, Ethereum is trading at $3,431, exactly as I called it. I told you that this descending triangle, that we could see Ethereum break out with an impulse to upside, and exactly as I called it, we are breaking to the upside. Our next level of resistance is right here, way at the top at $36,886. We're on our way, guys. I believe that our next target is going to be $3,686, and it's incoming, guys. It's absolutely incoming. Look at the pattern. The pattern, the data is not lying. It was right there in your face. Woo! So let's take a look at Cardano in the house. Cardano has broken out. Finally, we all thought it was going down. It's now broken out of this descending triangle. Another descending triangle. There's like descending triangles everywhere, and it broke out just at the base of the triangle, and this is seeing a huge impulse to the upside, a 3.73% impulse, and this just happened hours ago, guys, because this morning in Asia, Cardano was just going sideways. It was looking like Debbie Downer time, but we're breaking out. This is really good, and right now we've just hit the 40-day EMA. We've gone above the 20-day EMA, and then our next level to break past on the 4 hours of 200. So if we can break above the 40-day EMA, this is very bullish, and this should send us up to the next level at $2.58, and that's where we have our huge resistance for Cardano. All right, let's take a look at VeChain in the house. One of my subscribers said, "Oh, gee, can you do a TA on VeChain?" Okay, so if I look at my Elliott wave pattern for VeChain, we have this huge descending triangle, and we have the wave formation 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've kind of gone, we went down. That was the flash crash. We all know about that. We gave up. We got rejected a little bit. We went down to the base here. We found support. Now we've broken out of this descending triangle, and I believe that we're going to be going in this pattern up to wave 5. Then we're going to start wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hopefully that by the end of the month, by September 24th, we should be around about $1.40 for VeChain. So this is where I see that VeChain is going to follow this pattern. We're going to make higher highs, lower lows on our way up. And I really see that VeChain, it could explode, and we could see $3 coming in, $3 to $4 coming in at the end of the year. So that's how I see VeChain sizing up for the balance of this month, guys. So let's take a look at Solana in the house. Solana in the house, we had this network outage. So Solana is doing pretty good to stay above its support level at 155. It's trading at 157. And I think, for the foremost, we're not going to see much upside. I think tomorrow, once the network is back in action and we're seeing that the transactions through the blocks are working smooth, I think we need about 24 hours or 36 hours to get rid of that network down narrative, and then we're going to be going back up again. So guys, if you're holding Solana, this is not financial advice, but just keep diamond hands, and we're definitely going to be going up. Worst case scenario, we could see ourselves bounce down to 140, but from there we're going to go back up, guys. So with that being said, let's jump into the marks right now. So my total market cap is 2.20 trillion, and my volume is 73.79 billion, guys. My Bitcoin dominance is kind of flatline. You are seeing some people taking profits on the altcoins and moving to Bitcoin right now, and that's pretty normal. But overall, I wouldn't panic, guys. We're definitely going to see the big rise, the big moonshot coming for Bitcoin, and when that happens, we're going to definitely be seeing the whole altcoins about to explode, because the altcoins, they're frothy, they're foamy, and they're getting ready to take off, guys. I can feel it. Can you smell the rocket fuel? Woo! I can smell the rocket fuel. Ric Flair of crypto. Don't forget to smash the likes, guys. And right now we can see Bitcoin is trading at $47,785, and we're gingerly close to that 48,000 threshold. Things are starting to turn green, guys, and the total market cap is up around about 3.2%, give or take a couple. Ethereum right now is also screaming back. It's at $3,437, and that's up 2.5%. Woo! In the house. ADA is coming back. It's almost up 6%, guys, and that was that last minute pump that I told you about, and that's at $2.49. Wow. BNB is up, guys. BNB is up almost 7%, and that's $432. And right now, Solana in the house is still down, still doing a Debbie Downer. That's because of network outage, and it's down 1.69%, and that's up, and that's at $157, guys. And Cardano in the house had a bit of a reversal today. It's down 6.14%, and it's at $35.95, but it's up 28%. I saw a little bit of people taking some profit today. I would definitely this is still a good time to get into Polkadot. I think that Polkadot's absolutely going to scream and go to the moon, guys, soon. We could see $50 Polkadot coming in easily very soon, very shortly in October, November. So for me, I'm still accumulating. I'm still dollar cost averaging Polkadot. And my Doge in the house, we're seeing some green machine, and we're seeing Polkadot at 20, not Polkadot, Doge. Get your words right. We're seeing Doge at 24.2, and we're up 1.88%, guys. So this is really good. So if we look at the other coins in the house, well, Luna is going up, guys. I told you guys to pick up Luna like about a week ago, and it's gone up 23%. I told you to pick up Chainlink. I think 2 days ago, right? 2 or 3 days ago, Chainlink is starting to blast away, just as I told you it would. Avalanche is also up, guys. I told you to pick up Avalanche as well, and it's going to the moon, guys. I was kind of not so great on ICP, so it's kind of Matic. I told everyone pick up Matic. I've been screaming to the moon, get Matic. VET, I've been telling you pick up VET. It's a good buy. I talked about Atom. I talked about Tezos as well before. I think last Sunday I was talking about Tezos. So guys, if you picked up those coins, congratulations. Remember, none of this is financial advice. And one last thing, guys, don't forget to go to my Twitter. Go to my Twitter and follow on my Twitter. Do it now, guys. Follow me on my Twitter. What are you waiting for? We're getting pretty close to 52,000 subscribers on the YouTube, and I've got a huge, pitiful, miserable, not even 3,000 followers on Twitter. What are you waiting for? Get it while you can. And remember, don't forget to smash the like, smash it, guys. Subscribe me right now. Do it for the OG, the Ric Flair, woo, in the house. You know you want it. Subscribe me, YB, right now. Get it. And don't forget to go to my video descriptions, and you can see all my beautiful links down there. This is not financial advice. Go to Zen Music Addict. Do it right now while you can. This is the wife's channel. I gotta support the wife. Go there right now. Hit that subscribe button. And if you need to relax and you're stressing out, go to Zen Music Addict. Do it now. And guys, please become channel members. Become channel members. Do it right now. Support the channel with Patreon. Buy the channel a coffee. Remember, all the Patreons, all the coffees, all the merch, it all goes to charity, guys. Do it now. And remember, go to my merch. Go to my shop. We've got hats. We've got t-shirts. We got hoodies in the house. We've even got non-clothing items. Get the mug, get the mug. And don't forget the backpack, and get the pillow willow. You're gonna love it. I love it, guys. And with that being said, one final thing. Don't forget to go to my NFT collection. Checky the NFT collection. Go to OpenSea.io and go to Digital Asian, and you can see a beautiful collection of NFTs. And with that being said, I just want to say, God bless each and every one of you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for smashing the likes. God bless you all. Be well. This is the OG in the house, spreading the good vibe. The Ric Flair of crypto. Woo! In the house. I love it. You love it. Let's get it. I'll see you tomorrow. Guys, be well. Be safe. Be blessed. Woo! I love it. Smash the likes. Subscribe me, baby. Do it right now. Woo!